Osio Taishu, Shidana Lai.
Hello, this is Patrick with New Jersey's Outdoor Adventures YouTube channel. Just taking my mountain bike along some of the trails here in Tinton Falls, New Jersey. And someone had mentioned this to me earlier, that there was almost like an abandoned cemetery called Shadow's Rest off of Ruffin Court, Tinton Falls. It's closer to the border of Colts Neck.
This is just one of my family's burial grounds, which has been falsely recorded in history as an African American cemetery.
I believe this was one of the first African American graveyards or cemeteries in the area.
We still here. We never left.
Because of all the thousands of people that I've met over my years, conversations with people that look like African American people. And when you really get down to the nit and the grit of it and ask them, what's your ancestry? Oh, my grandma was a Cherokee, or my great-great-grandfather was, I think he was a Seminole. And because of the stolen heritage of American Indians with black blood and black people with Indian blood, I felt that it was time that black folks with Indian blood and Indian folks with black blood were able to come together as a people and not feel ridiculed, marginalized, or subjugated because they stood up and told the world who they are.
Come out your shells, turtles. The world's waiting.